Now, I think you figured this out after you emailed me, but just in case you didn't, let's look at the first part. We got f of x is equal to 8x squared plus 4x minus 3, and we're looking between x equals 2 and x equals 4. And it says find the average rate of change of the given function between the following pair of x values. Now they give you a hint for what page to look at, but really this is the slope formula. So we're going to find the y values. So for this, remember f of x is equal to y. I'll plug 2 in for the x. So I got 8 times 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 3. 2 squared is 4 times 8 is 32 plus 4 times 2 is 8 minus 3. That's 40 minus 3 is 37. So this point is 2 comma 37. Now for this one, I'm going to have y is equal to 8 times 4 squared plus 4 times 4 minus 3. I'll plug in 4 in for the x. I got 16 times 8, which is 128, plus 4 times 4 is 16 minus 3. 16 minus 3 is 13, plus this is 128 plus 13 gives us 141. So this point is 4 comma 141. Now our slope, our rate of change, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we'll take 141 minus 37 over 4 minus 2. That's 104 over 4 minus 2 is 2, which gives us 52. And that's our answer. Now if I were to use my graphing calculator, let's go put that function in. Sounds like I'm on wind tunnel. It's my little computer room's hot here. I have a fan blowing in. I apologize for the air blowing on the microphone. It'll be up in just a second. Okay. First thing I'll do is I'll go to y equals, clear, and I'm going to put 8x squared, so 8x squared plus 4x minus 3. Although there is a little shorter way to do this, I'm going to show you a method that will simplify part of it. I'm going to go to the table setup, so I'll do second and then the window. Now, if you down arrow, under the independent you want ask highlighted. If it isn't already highlighted, then down arrow to that line, right arrow, put your flashing cursor on ask, and press enter one time. And now if we go to our table, I do second graph, you can type in numbers. And I had some numbers, so I just press delete over and over to clear those out. So like this first one, x equals 2. Well, if I put 2 in, put that in, we get 37. And if I put in 4, you get 141. So you see it can simplify this quite a bit. So for our next one, we got x equals 2 and x equals 3. Well, if I come back to my calculator, 2 is already 37, so I don't need to recalculate that. So this point would be 237. Now if I plug in 3, if I put 3 and then press enter, it gives me 81. So this point would be 3 comma 81. And our rate of change would have 81 minus 37 over 3 minus 2. Is that 44 over 1 or 44? So it gives you that. So you can see it simplifies that process quite a bit.